Hello, dear friends. Good evening. How are you? Yesterday, I started my talk on happiness, where I told that happiness is the one thing which is the ultimate goal of every human being on this earth. So, moving further, first, I will like to know from you what do you understand by the happiness? What's your view about happiness? So, my dear friends, happiness is when your thoughts, your behavior, your action, and your words, they are in synchronization with each other. They are in synchronization with each other. There is no conflict between them. Okay. Now the second thing about happiness, very important thing, that happiness is permanent and unlimited. These are the two characteristic features of happiness. Otherwise, happiness is something intangible. It has not got some definite shape, size, or some certain numerical value. It is unlimited and permanent. These are two main features. So whenever you say that I am feeling happy, kindly see that are these two words, are these two characteristics are present, that is permanent and unlimited. Then only you can say that it is true happiness. Now coming to our normal behavior. Normally we say, suppose I buy some, for example, we buy some car, or we say that when I will buy this car, I will be happy. So you buy that car, and you naturally that day you are feeling very good. But it is actual happiness. All of us have experienced when we buy some new gadget, a car or something, some mobile phone, or some position in the office, or acquire certain money target. We feel good at that time. But my dear friends, does that your feeling of goodness remains for how many days? It may remain for few days. For how many years? For how many months? No. It remains usually short-lived. May last for some days, may last for some months, but after that it vanishes. You start searching for some other target, and then you say that, and when I will achieve that target, I will be again happy. And this cycle goes on like that, and you keep on postponing your happiness. So what the feeling good which you feel when you achieve some target in terms of penny, in terms of some possession, in terms of some power, is it real happiness? Because it doesn't fit into the definition of happiness. So what is true happiness? The things with which we are linking the happiness, even when they are acquired, we feel good for some time, and this time may last ranging from days to months to even some year also, but it is not long lasting and not permanent. So dear friends, where is our happiness now? So what is happiness? Kindly give thought over it. Tomorrow we will be going further deep into it. Take care. Goodbye.